Hi folks, it's very hot today, 100 degrees. They were saying it might be even hotter, like 103, 105 today, but we've made it to 100 Fahrenheit and the skies are a little smoky, so making for a cool sunset. So I thought I would just show you the sun as it's going down here, and it's reflecting into the river, making kind of a brilliant colors between the trees. You can just barely see through there, but very beautiful. I'm out in the garden area, and Tom noticed when he was watering that a little bird must have got stuck inside and couldn't figure out how to get out. He's on these logs here, poor guy, so sorry if this is for the squeamish, but he got stuck. He's like halfway in, halfway out. So I got some gloves. I'm gonna see if I can get him out of here. Poor guy. Poor little guy. I don't know how long he's been in there, but I figure back to nature. I'll put him in the brush here. Sorry, buddy. It's kind of the disadvantage, I guess, of having the deer netting. It's worked really well to keep the deer out, and it doesn't have a top on it, but apparently he couldn't figure out how to get out by flying up and out. The little deer were just chasing each other around, but of course once I start recording they stopped. Going back to eating. I don't think these are all her babies, all three. I think there's been a set of twins that have been pretty much by themselves. So I think they're just tagging along with the mama and her baby. Hey, Froggy. Oh, there he goes. Now you're where I can see you a little better. What are you doing? Thought last night was pretty impressive, but today the smoke is even thicker. So it's making the sun have a similar show as it had last night. Maybe even better. Pretty crazy. It's been very hot again today. Like 100 Fahrenheit. The sun is just a bright ball in the sky. But you can see the mountains, or barely see the mountains, are just kind of a shadow. You can just kind of see the outline. There's a bird that hit our window. Oh, poor bird.
Look at him. I'm not sure what he is.
Oh, buddy. Yeah, oh, it is a woodpecker, I think. Oh, he hit this window right here. You can see where he hit. Oh, I'm so sorry. Hope you're gonna be okay. You're very pretty with the red and white. Yeah. Yeah, that was a hard hit. See if the bird is still out here or if he flew away. Hopefully he did, because now the sun is shining. Oh, he's still here. Oh, hello. Oh, I'm sorry. Well, that's a good sign. Oh, can you move? Maybe he'll fly away if I startle him. He's not up on his feet though. Hi. What are you doing, bird? You're gonna get hot in the sun. Hi. Oh. I'm worried about him in the sun. Can you get up if I come closer? Will that get you going? There you go. You're thinking about it. Hi. Hey, buddy. Yeah? Are you still recovering? Yeah. Yeah, you hit this window pretty hard. Yes, you did. Oh, there you go. There you go. Oh. Oh. Wonder how far he made it. See if I hear him. Well, I'm glad he was able to fly away. That's a really good sign. It's a little stormy.